Hey, business owners, you set up your Google business profile, you filled everything out, you hit verify, and now Google wants a video. Not a postcard, not a phone call, a video. And you're sitting there thinking, I work from my house. What am I supposed to show? My living room? If you're stuck on video verification, you are not alone. This is the number one thing tripping up home service businesses right now. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to pass it on the first try. So if you've heard from your buddies that their verification was super easy, they got a postcard, that method is gone. Google discontinued it as a standard method. In 2026, most new profiles and any address changes will get video verification with no other options. You can't choose your verification method anymore. Google decides. Now, some older unclaimed profiles might still get phone or email verification, but if you're setting up a new profile from scratch, especially from a home address, plan on the video. That's just the reality. Okay, and I know this sounds intimidating, but here's the thing. Google is not trying to make this hard for legitimate businesses. They're trying to keep spam and fake listings off of the platform. If you're a real business with real customers, you can pass this. You just need to know what to show. So let's break down what Google wants to see, especially if you work from home. Before you even start the video, there's a critical step. Google will ask you a question that shapes everything. What option best describes your business? If you operate from home and travel to customers, the correct answer is something like, my business travels to meet customers without a staffed physical location. Do not select that you have a physical location customers can visit unless you actually do. Choosing the wrong option here is one of the fastest ways to get suspended. And if you select that your business is online only, you won't even be eligible for a Google business profile. So take an extra 30 seconds on that question and answer it honestly. It determines what kind of verification Google requires and whether your address gets displayed publicly. Then you have to have everything ready before you start. You cannot pre-record this video and upload it later. You have to record it inside the verification flow on your mobile phone in one continuous take, no pauses, no edits. So know what you're going to show, have your props nearby, and maybe grab someone to hold the camera. Aim for 60 to 120 seconds. That's 1 to 2 minutes. Shorter is better. It's easier for Google's review system to process. All right, here's the big one. Your video needs to prove three things to Google: that your business is located where you say it is, that the business actually exists, and that you manage it. Let me walk you through each one. So, proof of location. Start outside. Show the nearest street sign. Walk towards your house. Show your house number clearly. If you run a service area business from your home, Google says you can record landmarks and signs in your immediate neighborhood. It's directly from their help page. You're not trying to prove that you have a storefront. You're proving you live and work at this address. One tiny wrinkle to this: if your house doesn't have Google Street View, then park your work van downtown and record the video there instead. Bring all of your paperwork, specialized tools, etc. Everything else stays the same. Google wants to see proof that the business exists. So show your professional tools, equipment, or branded materials. If you have a branded work van, park in the driveway, show the business name on the side, unlock it, show the equipment inside. If you don't have a branded van, show your tools, your workspace, business cards, a uniform with your logo. I also recommend showing some official business paperwork, a business license, a utility bill, whatever you have that has your business name and the address that you're putting on your Google business profile, because they have to match. So even a small mismatch, like having a PO box on one of those and a physical address that's different, that can stop your verification cold. So then Google wants to see proof of management. And what that means is they want to see that that is your house, that you're not just filming in front of someone's house. So use your key to unlock your front door. That one simple action proves you control the location. You can also show yourself performing a service or unlocking a branded vehicle. So both of those also show that you are working in the business and that you have control over that business. Okay, so let's walk through a real life example. So let's say you're a carpet cleaner. Your video goes like this. You start at the street sign, you walk to your house, you show the house number, you use your key to unlock the front door, you walk to your branded van in the driveway, you beep it to show that you unlocked it, You show the business name, you show the cleaning equipment inside, and inside you also have your business license ready to go. You film that. That's it. 60 to 90 seconds, one continuous take, no edits. Okay, so now let's talk about what not to show because this is where people can get rejected. Don't show sensitive information, no bank account numbers, no tax documents, ID numbers, no private information. Google says explicitly not to include these. Do not show people's faces. So if you are unlocking your van, just show your hand unlocking the van. Don't show your face. Don't show your husband's face or your assistant's face. Just show arms and paperwork and houses and branded materials, no faces. So don't film on empty land or locations with no clear markers. So basically, don't film in a location that isn't on Google Street View. If Google can't tell where you are, they can't verify you. Don't create fake signage. I know it's tempting to print up a quick sign and stick it on your garage. Don't. Google's reviewers can tell the difference between permanent signage and a piece of paper taped to a door. If you don't have signage, that's fine. You're a service area business. You don't need it. Show your equipment and documents instead. And then don't stress about production quality. This isn't a YouTube video, it's a verification video. Try to be good, but if it's a little shaky, if it's amateur, if the lighting isn't perfect, that's fine. Google just needs to see the information. So one continuous take, no breaks, show what they ask for, that's it. Okay, so here's the step by step. First, do a dry run and time yourself. This is really important. Then take your mobile phone and go to your Google Maps app. And you have to be signed in under the profile that manages your Google business profile. So make sure that that is all up to snuff. So then you're going to tap Get Verified. You may need to enter your phone number, then tap Business Video. Read the requirements. You might be asked to allow camera, microphone, and location access. Then tap Start Recording. Okay, so then record your video. Remember, one continuous take, no pauses. When you're done, review it. Make sure you showed location, proof of business, and proof of management. If you miss something, tap Try Again and re-record. When you're satisfied, tap Upload Video. Then the waiting game. Google says review can take up to 5 business days. Most come back faster. If you pass, you're verified. If you don't, Google will tell you what was missing and you can try again with a new video. Okay, so if your video gets denied, don't panic. Google will tell you, at least mostly. They're a little vague sometimes, but they should tell you the common reason that your video was denied. So some of those reasons are that your business name wasn't clearly shown, no nearby area or landmarks were visible, or you're missing proof that you're authorized to operate the business. So go back to your profile, tap Review Issues, and read what they say. Then record a new video that includes everything from your first attempt plus the missing information. Don't just re-record the exact same video. Fix the problem. And if you've been denied multiple times and you're stuck, reach out. I've helped plenty of businesses get through this. Sometimes it's a small fix, like a document mismatch or a blurry house number. Don't give up. Getting verified is worth it. So there you have it. Video verification is the new normal. If you work from home, you can absolutely pass it. Show your street sign and house number, unlock your door, show your equipment or branded materials. One take, no edits, 60 to 90 seconds. It's the formula. If you're stuck on verification or you're not sure what to show, let me know. I offer free profile audits and I can walk you through the process. Drop a comment below. Tell me what type of business you run and where you're stuck. I'm Gail with Map Your Biz. Good luck with those video verifications. See you next time.